Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to speak about two cool verbs to avoid and to prevent. Let's first talk about their meanings. To avoid means to stay away from doing something because you don't want to do it. Also, to prevent has the same meaning, but it is slightly differently used in sentences. I will talk about that later. Let's first talk about the verb avoid. If you want to use a verb after avoid in a sentence, we need to use it in the gerund form. It means with ing, like avoid speaking, avoid eating, avoid sleeping. Let's look at this sentence. It's wrong to say you can't avoid to make mistakes. We need to say you can't avoid making mistakes. Help is sometimes used to mean avoid, and it's usually used in a negative form, like I can't help laughing. The joke is hilarious. Or when I'm at a party, I can't help munching on something all the time. That's why I'm fat. Or I can't help eating food, or I can't help eating when I'm nervous. That has the same meaning and the same usage. Also, there are two advanced verbs with a similar meaning, to abstain from and to refrain from. They are both followed by the preposition from, and they mean to make some effort in not doing something, to have a kind of self-control or self-denial. For example, when I'm on a diet, I refrain from high-calorie food, or when I'm exercising, I abstain from drinking water. Now let's talk about the verb prevent. To prevent, as I told you, has the same meaning. Prevent somebody from doing something or prevent something from happening. Also, the verbs keep and stop have the same meaning and the same usage. It's wrong to say I prevent high-calorie food. It's also wrong to say I prevent myself from eating fatty food. You don't prevent yourself, you just avoid it. So it's right and good to say I avoid fatty food. We can either use the verb prevent in an active voice, for example, the government prevents people from having close contacts during the pandemic, or in a passive voice, people are prevented from having close contacts during the pandemic by the government. And now let's make a sentence with the verbs keep and stop. Let's keep him from drinking more, or let's stop him from drinking more. They mean the same. And I hope this lesson will prevent you from making some common mistakes in different contexts. And I hope it was useful for you. So don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to share it with others. Have a lot of fun and stay positive. See you soon.